Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Mexican deli chicken salad. This is how I know my chicken salad and I love it, and I grew up eating it this way, so I hope you guys enjoy how I'm going to prepare this for you today. And what you're going to need is you're going to need some chicken. You know, I know a lot of you like that rotisserie chicken. We talk about it often in the comments. And I know the chicken saved me. The rotisserie chicken has saved me from so many meals because it's so versatile and it's cooked, right? But for me, I went ahead and boiled my chicken breast, and then you guys know when I put it in the refrigerator, I sprinkle a little bit of salt so that we don't get pepper, so that we don't get any of that stenchiness from the chicken the following day when you open your container. And that's what I'm gonna be using, some shredded chicken breast. So if you guys have that rotisserie chicken and you need to make this quick for dinner, go for it. It's gonna save you some time, but you guys know I boil chicken about 3 times out of my week. Next, I'm gonna be using this can of veggies. It works great. It has like potato, green beans, peas, and I have certain family members, and I've discussed it, that don't like fresh peas. So whenever I put it from the can like this, it tends to work out. So that's what we're gonna be adding, okay? So let me bring it in a little bit closer for you guys to see. You can see these are the potatoes, carrots, corn, green beans, and your peas. And to spice up my recipe, I chopped some fresh onions, red bell peppers, and the crunchy celery, because I like my cold chicken salads with celery. So these are gonna be optional for you if you have the time to chop it up, which it's done really easily. Again, friends, all the ingredients are going to be in the description. This is your recipe, so if you guys need to know anything, it's probably going to be on the video, and then I'll put the frequently asked questions, if we have any of those, in the description area. So this blend, this creamy mayo blend, I'm going to have it in detail what's in here with the exact measurements for you guys. The wonderful part is that if you're watching your calories or certain restrictions for mayonnaise, whatever it may be, you can adjust the balance of this recipe and make it comfortable for your home. Yes, I'm corny that way. You guys know already. Okay. So just make sure you mix your mayo blend well with your chicken, okay? We want to completely coat it. And you want to be pretty gentle when you're mixing this. You don't want to be too aggressive, because then you start getting the shredded chicken to fall apart, especially the rotisserie one. It will fall apart. So let's go ahead and clean this windshield for you guys so you guys can get a better view. The wheels on the views go round. No, what is it? The wind. My music is so off. Go a la canción. The windshields on the bus go. Shh, shh, shh.
That's perfect.
Really?
You just sing that at our family gathering.
I will. Me and Bebe are gonna sing it.
I would. I'm gonna stand up and clap for you guys.
Let's do a do-over. The windshields on the bus go. Shh, shh, shh. Oh, you do the background. All right, back to the recipe, friends. This is when you want to go ahead and add your drained veggie mix. Let's go ahead and mix this again. Gently, it's more like folds. Ooh, these wanted to go in my mouth.
I still love taking that chicken salad to work for lunch, because it's nice and cold. You don't have to worry about warming it up or anything.
Yeah, Robert loved this one, because I would either send it with, if he was watching his diet for that week, he would get it with like lettuce or crackers.
Yes.
It even tastes great with the corn tortilla. Okay. Deja agarro la pimienta. Okay, so once you've mixed all your ingredients, you want to make sure that you use salt and pepper to taste. I love the way pepper looks in salads, like especially the creamy ones, because you already know you got some flavor in there. Taste tester, I need a taste tester.
Oh, I got a green bean in here. That's good.
Did you get a celery? Mm-hmm. Oh, doesn't that put it together well?
I have no shame. I was sucking the stuff off the spoon.
That's how I make our Mexican cold deli style chicken salad. This is an amazing salad. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. This recipe is so versatile. You can send it in a chicken sandwich to school with the kids for their lunch. You can send it for your husbands with some crackers or lettuce or even a sandwich. There's so many ways that you guys can eat this. Please let me know in the comments what you're gonna be doing with the recipe. Whether it's a cookout or a delicious lunch. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, right? All right, thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Adios! Now it's time to taste this delicious
Pollito
salad.
con papas. Oh,
yes.
Is it?
Well, it's kind of
Oh, yeah.
pollito con papas because it does have papas in here. So yummy. You guys enjoyed me eating my lettuce wraps because I love lettuce wraps. I mean, who doesn't? Let me know in the comments if you don't, because I always get somebody's like, I don't like them. But since this is a Mexican one, I don't think I have to go ham on it. What do you think? Should I go ham on it? I don't know, the Grizzly's watching, I should. This is so good. I guess nobody wanted a piece, nothing fell.
Well, how could we? You crave a piece.
This is amazing. I prefer it with a nice, delicious, curly lettuce.
There you go.
Did I get a milk stash? Mm-hmm. That's okay, it was worth it. But I really like these crackers. They're the Milton's crackers. I love these crackers. I love them for years. I love their bread, but I can't get a hold of it these days.
Mm-hmm. They make real food.
Yeah, when I was in Texas, I was addicted to their bread when I was pregnant with Punky. And I had it for breakfast every day with my eggs. The only thing is this cookie's gonna crumble.
That's okay.
This cracker's gonna crumble.
No te faltó un serrano.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
This is one amazing salad.
We already shared our spoon, so we got that out of the way.
Mm-hmm. Everybody missed you yesterday.
Oh yeah? I missed everybody too.
Mama's gotta work.
I had things to do.
Mm-mm-mm. How do you like it better? Oh, bad. I was pointing. I'm sorry. Bad girl.
You're definitely never going to want to make that mistake again with the little discipline you gave yourself.
I'm not, friends. I'm not doing that. Please let me know if you guys like it with lettuce or with crackers, because I know a lot of you are going to say saltines. We have Ritz lovers.
Tostadas, they're good on tostadas.
Oh my gosh, yes, on a tostada. But I'll tell you guys something that you might not know about me. My mother traumatized me enough to where I'm not fond of tostadas unless I make them.
Why should she traumatize you?
Because she would cook so quickly and I always ended up with the burnt ones.
Yep.
Because she was always rushing to feed her family. Pobrecita, her pobrecita story, working so hard, taking care of her family. So she used to rush our dinner sometimes and burn our tortillas, but the same time, she's the kind of person that likes the burnt flavor.
Yeah, pero no te moriste de hambre.
Pero no me morí de hambre. Yeah, she would always say, but at least you didn't starve. That's, you know, it is what it is when you're a Mexican mother, guys.